Hello. Today I am about to tell you how can you write the essay through quotation. So here I have taken a quotation from book Paragraphs and Essays for CSS, PMS and other competitive examinations. So here is the quotation which I am about to narrate. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. It is taken from John Keats' poem In Dry Mood. Combination of qualities that give pleasure to the senses, especially to the eye or ear or to the mind, is called beauty. Anything which moves somebody emotionally, intellectually or physically is beauty. If at all there is such a thing as universal reality, it is the intensity with which an individual feels about something. One feels more intensely about beauty than about anything else. This explains Keats' another interpretation of beauty. Beauty is truth, truth beauty. Someone say that beauty is only skin deep meaning, thereby that outward appearance is less important than hidden or inner qualities. A woman outwardly may look attractive and charming, but inwardly she may be an ugly creature. Exterior beauty of a person is short-lived, but the interior beauty, born of special qualities, is everlasting. It becomes part of eternity. Oscar Wilde's Dorian Gray was the most handsome, who began to dread facing his childhood's picture, a reflection of purity and innocence. When on being grown up, he developed a tendency of crime. The more sinful he became, the more dread he felt in facing the picture of his childhood. Ultimately, he shot himself in one of the rooms of the castle where his picture shading innocence, grace, beauty was hung up. All the blackness reflecting his black deeds had gathered on Dorian Gray's face. But the picture was as fair, as fresh as ever. Exterior physical beauty of a thing or a person is subject to decay. Time's cruel acts dare not fall on the beauty born of good deeds. So here the sixth quotation of our book has completed. Be with us for more. To be with us, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you may get the first notification of our every upcoming video. Thank you.